Good afternoon, everyone. This is Lakshmi Aishwarya Neetikar, and today I'm about to give a presentation on commercial website analysis. Before moving on to the further slides, I would really want to make clear about what exactly my title speaks about. What is commercial website analysis is, it completely refers to the evaluating and examining a particular website based on the different areas, and that areas could be anything. We can just have their competitive benchmarking along with which how is their user experience. Then there are very different areas on which we can evaluate them, examine a particular website, whether how what is the range of that website and how good the website works. In my presentation, I'm taking an example of the Amazon website, that's www.amazon.com, and how well that works. We are going to take few of its key aspects based on which we're going to say that how Amazon is one of a very good website which is used worldwide, and what would be few of the drawbacks of it that it need to bring up with lot of things. Now further moving on to the other slide. Now, when we speak about the introduction, it is, we have to give a complete, I want to give a complete overview, Amazon, how Amazon is one of a commercial website. In that, I'm going to take few of the aspects for my analysis to examine that how am I saying that Amazon is one of a commercial website based on what factors, what aspects I am saying that. So I'm not going to consider all of them, but the very few would be the web technology, e-payment, then mobile commerce, CRM. CRM stands for the customer relationship management, then the cloud usage, and at the end, it is the business intelligence. We're gonna further discuss each and every point of this, every aspects deeper, so that we get to know that why we call Amazon as one of a commercial website and why is it known worldwide. So first moving on with the web technology. Now, when I just speak about, Amazon use HTML, CSS, JavaScript in order to create one of a very good interface and a friendly interface and gives one of a very responsive, acts in one of the very good responsive way. When we speak about the HTML5, it moves on with the structure of the structures, the content. What are the content our website has? It tells us that which part need to be located at which point. That is what it give a very brief structure to our content. Moving on to the CSS, give what kind of a color, what kind of a style need to be, the layout, everything is taken care by the CSS, the one which attracts the customers, which colors need to be taken, and how need to be what need to be the style and layout of the complete website. And coming to JavaScript, it is one of the interactive and dynamic, it has one of very interactive and dynamic feature. And what exactly is that? As it has the what we call product slide house, and even it has the advanced search functionality. So this is what the JavaScript performs. And it even the web technology, it even Amazon supports for the React, Angular, and Edge. These are the different other language other than the HTML, JavaScript, and CSS, and it even enhance a very good experience, user experience, and it gives a lot of security to the web security that is required for the whole website. Then moving on to the next aspect, that is the e-payment system. You know what? Amazon support all the multiple card payments, not only the one, it takes the payments of the credit card, debit card, Amazon Pay, any of the, any other, even it even takes the gift cards. So, it even ensured that, we have a very secure transaction with SSL, that is, secure socket layer. So it is secure socket layer, make sure that our information is neither be, you know, transferred to any other person. That has been very secure. Our information is very, one of a very delicate thing that is needed or needed a lot of security over there. So it secure all our information with our complete transaction. And even the Amazon Pay, it make a payment of the balance that is there in our particular card, that might be a credit card, debit card, or an Amazon account, no matter what it might be, so that it simplifies the checkout process a very easy way. So that could be a very quite easier for us to check out easily. Okay, so Then we have two-factor authentication in that, it even detect if any fraud is going on. So it even have that kind of algorithm that would detect the fraud, that is, if there are any chances that it could occur. Then moving on to the mobile commerce compatibility. Now, when I speak about the mobile commerce, Amazon is one of a very robust mobile commerce thing. We know that how well we use Amazon in our mobile phone. It is more than an online shopping one. So when we speak, it is quite responsive and it is quite easier to be, used at the iOS, and even it support both the iOS and Android thing. Then, it even have a voice shopping option, the Alexa, which is quite integrated in it. And on a one click, you can order many things, there are, I mean, you don't have to just wait the thing what we do in other, like when we just go on a physical shopping, so we have a lot of stress, tiredness, and everything. But here you can just purchase anything on just a click. Then next, moving on to the CRM system. What is CRM? Is the customer relationship management. It speaks about, Amazon is one of very good CRM system. It has one of a very good CRM system installed in it, so that, they can make a lot of marketing along with it. They can give a good customer service. They can even, provide a lot of recommendation, due to which, they can have different loyalty programs. Amazon Prime is one of a very, we can have loyalty programs like Amazon Prime. They can take the Prime membership so that they might get access to many of the different lot of features and all. Then, the order history tracking and everything. It has a very good CRM system, and like that is being managed in this website. Then next, moving on to, cloud usage. It is, the Amazon is completely powered by the Amazon Web Services. It contains the complete details of the website. It has all the web connections that are related to this website. It has a lot of good security, the scalability, and that is quite cost efficient. And even it is globally being used, and we can just reach out at globally, where no matter where all we are. But downtown risk, we can just have, the infrastructure that requires for this AWS is really complex. So that would be one of a very great drawbacks, which I would like to really mention, that, having an infrastructure of the AWS is really complex. So that might, make everything more complex. So this could be a drawback which need to be considered over here. Then moving on to the business intelligence, it speaks about, business intelligence, like how are we gonna, the one looks on to the market trend, how the market trend is making, how the market metrics are working, how efficiently the market is working, then what are the, how the prices over, like dynamically, how are you changing the prices, the algorithm of the prices, how they are completely changing. Then looking onto the forecast trends, how predictive, and we're gonna make one of a very great predictive analysis over there. Then, they can just track the browsing and the purchases over purchases, and make a come to a conclusion like how the business has been running so far, or the last month, looking onto the different trends. Then the how the prices have been changed. So what are the profit and loss that we are getting from the customer? Then what are the profit inside that we got from the customer or the user that is being using the website? Then at the end, moving on to the conclusion, Amazon, it integrate with a great advanced technology, and it has a very good business strategy. The key advantages, we can, it is one of a very user friendly. It has a good responsive. It has a very it is cloud efficiency. It gives a lot of secure transactions. It has a lot of web security, and the data driven in that inside. It's quite very secure with them. So this could be a very great advantages that we can just get it from this particular website. So this is how I conclude that how Amazon is one of a great commercial website. So I hope that it's all clear. That's all. Thank you.